Welcome to episode number 4 of this Diamond Dynasty series. I've got Salazar on the mound. That's good. All my opponents have a bunch of diamonds. 4 diamonds for my opponent, including Pee Wee Reese, which is pretty awesome. They got Alex Gordon and Jorge Posada kind of covered by my head here. And Harmon Killebrew, gold. They've got a lot of throwback players. They got a cool logo. Why isn't my logo showing up there? It should, shouldn't it? I lost the last game. That sucked. There's my logo. I like that. YouTubers versus the Chillsville Tanks. That's a pretty cool name, I think. Shohei Ohtani kicked my butt in the previous episode, and that was very frustrating. But did he have 11 home runs already? Seriously? Okay, Salazar pitched a complete game shutout for me in my second game. Oh, nice. He's off to a good start here, but it's very early. There's literally been 1 pitch thrown. So when there's been 1 pitch thrown, you can't really say he's off to a good start. See, now he's off to a bad start. He's thrown balls for half his pitches. This is the 2-seamer, I believe, and that's an out. Okay, off to a good start. Nice. 93 speed, though, and hustling down the line there. Missed who this was. Throwback. Pee Wee Reese, right. 4-seamer. Low outside corner. Missed it. Slider now. Little low. This guy's got a good eye. This guy is probably super good. It's probably going to be nearly impossible to win this. I'm going to have to pitch incredibly well. So that's the only thing I'm decently good at. And I'm going to have to somehow get a run across the board. 1-0 is kind of the only way I win these things. So I think 1-0 games are exciting. Moustakas, no. He had 2 home runs and had a single in the previous game to destroy me, to beat me. Thank you, 3 outs. Okay, great start. Now let's get some runs. I chose Toronto as the home park here because I like Toronto. I like this stadium. I love this stadium. I have to play well here. I have to be smart. I have to take balls and... Okay, great pitch. Slider low inside corner. Perfectly painted it. Now what does he throw? Oh! Wow. Okay. I have no excuse for that. I thought it was high fastball, and then I saw it breaking. And that's the fastball, and that's a single! Okay. I'm excited right now. Contact swing, stayed alive, and hit it. Hit it into right field. Hosmer in 333 with a homer for me. Now what? Okay, low, 1-0. Good. I'm playing somebody named Jackinator, 47. And why? But advances the runner and safe. Yes. Okay, if I can get some runs here, I'm going to be the happiest person in Happy Land. If I can somehow get some runs here. No, I held up. Okay, 1-0. 1-0. And why my way on top of that one. And oh, that's the pitch I wanted, the previous pitch. Okay, contact. No, I didn't go. No way in it. No. Thank you, because I need Posey, my best player, to do something here. Got to at least advance the runners. Come on! Yes! I'm up 2-0. Oh my gosh, I'm up 2-0. And there's nobody out? Is that real? Is this real life? Okay, Brooks Robinson. I know my opponent's good. So this is nuts. And runner to third. Okay. If I can get this run home, I'm going to need it. Cutchin in 300. Get this run home. Oh, I held up. And called it a ball. Thank you, Mr. Umpire. No. That makes me sad. But I can still get this run home. It's still possible. Oh, please. Dozier. Come on. This guy, I don't know this guy's pattern. Okay. Usually throws the ball first pitch. I got to learn to take it. And yes! Up 3-0. Okay. I know you're thinking I'm too excited, but I get excited about a chance to beat somebody who I know is really good. He's got all these diamonds. His players are all hitting like 400. Oh, man. Switched it up there with the high and tight fastball. Oh, why would I? Why? Benintendi's hitting 0 for me, by the way. So that's not. I didn't go. Not at all. No. No. All good. All good. Got saved by that again. And who knows? Maybe I'll now homer. You never. No! If that falls, it's not going to. But great inning. Great inning. Harmon Killebrew hitting 389 with 7 home runs. See, this guy's good. This guy's really good. Fastball. Thank you. 4 up, 4 down from my opponent. Brian Dozier in 340. See, all these guys. See, watch. Let me go to the stats here. My opponents, 336, 158, 273, 382, 340, 227, 394. Okay, they're pretty good. Not quite as good as I thought for the batting average, but pretty darn good. They got a lot of homers. Two-seamer. No, not even close. Four-seamer. I want a little pop-up. I've mostly gotten ground balls, but here I'll take a pop-up. There's the pop-up. Right to Salazar, but I'm switching. Oh, I tried to switch. Oh, my gosh. Okay. They want to let me catch it. Computer just caught that, basically. The game did. Dale Murphy. Wow, I haven't heard that name in a little while. Great player. Two-seamer. No. Well, maybe. Can I? No, no one's covering. Why wouldn't the second baseman go and try to help out? Freaking lucky jerk. Can't let them score here. Come on. Oh, the two-seamer. Slider right there. Little ground ball to first. Ooh, off the bat there. Four-seamer up here. Pop up. Come on, ump. Come on. Change up. Low. He'll probably lay off it. He doesn't lay off it. So let's try it again. Change up. Low for the strikeout to get out of the inning. Oh! I didn't want it that high, but it worked out. He didn't swing at it. Okay, Elvis Andrews now. Let's see what he can do. I love that I'm actually winning right now. That's a single. No, it's not. It's not. Pitcher, Danny Salazar. And, oh, please. Please, yes, safe. That got him in, I think, the stomach maybe. Kind of want to see that replay right now. I know it's kind of slows down the game, but I just want to see where it got him. Oh, leg. Oh, back of the thigh. Okay, that's a meaty part. Doesn't hurt too bad. Low off-speed pitch is my guess. Whoa, it was the high fastball. This guy's got me on the wrong foot all the time, but somehow I'm up 3-0. I've just gotten lucky. Why? Don't strike out. Don't strike out. Oh, I didn't go. Nope, not at all. Nope. I love that first base umpire. He loves me. Contact swing. Come on. Come on. Slap another single somewhere. Well, I thought I went that time. Okay. Wow. First base umpire really loves me. Come on now. Please. I think high fastball now, but I don't know. Oh, yeah! But contact swing, not going to get out. Well, maybe it is. Oh! I wasn't running! Okay. Oh, my gosh. I just barely got back in time to first. Thank you. Okay. That almost got out. Okay, I need to score here because this guy's going to get some runs. This guy will get some runs. And... no, why did I lower my zone? I had it right there. And then I just lower the freaking thing. Why? I am very bad, you know. Come on. Come on. That advances the runners. No, I thought it was going to... Wait, everybody safe? Everybody safe? Everybody's safe. And now Posey. Oh, my... foul, not caught. Whoo, and he dives. There's one out. I need to do something now. I need to. Come on! Yes! Stay there. Stay there. Okay, okay. Wow, this is fun right now. 4-0. I feel alive. I feel amazing. I feel like my opponent is not going to quit. He's probably warming up somebody in the bullpen now. I'd love a grand slam. Oh, yeah, that's the game. That's the game. Ball gets by him, and that's the ball game. I'm scoring everybody. Uh-oh. I'm out there, but scored 3 runs. I'll take it. I'll take it. Am I up 7-0? I'm up 7-0. This is kind of not. Whoa. Oh, hit me. And I held up on my swing. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, I don't think he intended to hit me there. And... okay, fine. 3 outs, but another great inning. 4-seamer. Yeah, it's going to be a tough play, but with Posada running, I got him. 12 speed, yes. Danny Salazar, the pitcher. Hit that decently, but that's 3 quick outs. Fastball to Moustakas. Gone. Moustakas just kills me. Oh, man, oh, man. But I'm just going to keep throwing strikes as long as I have, like, at least a 4-run lead. I'm going to keep throwing strikes. 419 feet, I forgot to guess. 2-seamer to Dozier is gone. 2 home runs in the inning. This game's not over yet. 428 feet. 428, 423, 5 feet off. Couldn't even see where it landed. Going with the changeup low now, and I'm getting a little worried. Get there. Have to. Have to. Yes! And now George Springer leading off the inning. He's 2 for 2. Trying to get his 3rd hit in 4 innings. How about that, huh? Yeah! Oh, that's a hit. 3 for 3. Love it. Brooks Robinson. No. Get over his head. No, got by him. That's a hit. I'll take it. It's very cheap, but I'll take it, especially if I actually score this inning. McCutchen. He was hit by a pitch on, what, like a slider in the foot. First inning. And... oh, held up. Held up. 1-0. It's a big at bat here, because this game's not over yet. Come on! Go! Oh, gone! Yes, McCutchen up 10-2. 364 feet. No, 374. Oh, and I got it. I changed it in time. 374. Oh my gosh, I guess 2 home run distances. What in the world? And that's not gone, but who gives a crap? I'm up 10-2. Oh, well, I am a happy camper right now. Happiest person in Happy Land. Change up to Posada. Yeah, 3 quick outs. This guy's not giving up on this game. I've never had this big of a lead where... oh, man. Where somebody hasn't quit. Unless I'm playing a friend where I'm talking to them in real life, you know, then they don't quit. But I've rarely ever had this big of a lead, period, in any Diamond Dynasty game in any version of MLB The Show. It's pretty rare for me, and I don't know why I'm swinging at that. I just kind of want this game to end fast so it'll be over, but I need runs because it's not guaranteed to be over yet. I'm still not, like, totally content. And that's a hit. Nice. Salazar letting him hit, and that's a double play. That's okay, though. That's okay. Moustakas, can he actually homer again? Yeah, he's had 4 homers in the last 2 games against me in Diamond Dynasty. 422 feet. 422, 446. Yeah, I thought it might have been farther. If you would have told me a couple days ago that my next 2 Diamond Dynasty games would be I'd give up 4 home runs in 2 games to Mike Moustakas and I'd win one of them, I would not have believed you. I should start warming up people in the bullpen. 4-seamer. Thank you. Almost crushed it out, but stayed in the ballpark, and that's 3 outs. George Springer, he's 3 for 3. And that's my 4th hit. Never mind. No, it's not. Not at all. Eric Hosmer. Oh, that's a hit. Beautiful. Yelich. I'm scared. I'm going fastball up there, which is a little scary. Please. 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 Do I jump? Oh, yes! All right, run scores, but that's fine. At least it's not a 3-run homer. Oh, my goodness. That was scary. I'm still up by 6. I got to get this out, though. 2-seamer right there. Ground ball. Get out of this. Yes. Okay, thank you. 3 outs. Brooks Robinson batting. He has a double and a single in the game. And that's another single. No, it's not. That's an out. Low change to Pee Wee Reese. And Yeah, Brooks Robinson from his knees. Beautiful. George Springer. He's 3 for 4 with 3 singles. I'd love to have a 4-hit game. And that's, yes, 4-hit game. And runner takes third. Beautiful. I've got Alex Colomé in there now to finish off this game. Oh, he's got a slow delivery, doesn't he? And that's a ball. I didn't mean for it to be a ball. You know what? Let's just go right down the middle and just see what happens, because I just want to win this game, want to finish this off. Don't get too cute here. Thank you. 1 out. Change up to Dale Murphy, and that's rob it. Maybe. I got to be ready for it, and come on. Oh, can't get that high. Okay, fine. 412 feet. Okay, 407. Was close on that guess. Alex Gordon now. This guy's a diamond, I'm pretty sure. I'm giving him a high fastball. Let's see what happens. Okay, 2 outs. 1 out away from the win. There sure has been a lot of home runs in this game. Mostly from my opponent. Fastball to Posada to end the game. Yes! For the win! The YouTubers are 3-1 with the win. Yeah! If you like this episode, please hit the like button. We want to get 1,200 likes to this episode. 1,200 likes. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Tell your friends about these videos. You know what I am going to see you in episode number 5.